Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to bank accounts. It's very simple and the process is same in both platform, in Remitly website and mobile application. You just need to follow the steps by steps guide from this video. Now first, you have to log into your Remitly account. Then you just need to select the country that you want to send money. Then simply click on send money here. You can click on this button, and then in this page you just need to enter the amount that you want to send, and here just enter the amount and it will automatically convert the money according to the exchange rate, best current exchange rate. After clicking on continue, you will find here the bank deposit option. Simply click on it, and here you just need to find the bank that you have account in that. Then you can simply click on this more if you can find in the first list. Then also you can use the search option, search feature in Remitly. Here you can search for your bank and see that your bank account is available or not. Then if you found it, then simply click the bank account and enter your bank details like your account number and other information that are legit and properly matched with your bank account. Then you just need to enter the sender's details, that's mean your details that accurately matched with your Remitly account, and then you have to add a payment method that you want to use for this transfer. You can use credit card or debit card or your bank account, or you can use any type of e-wallet that currently available in your location. Then after that you just need to confirm the transfer and you will get a receipt for this transfer, and that's how you can transfer or send money from Remitly to any bank account that you want. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.